On April 12, 1961, something amazing happened. A young man named Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. He flew aboard a spacecraft called Vostok 1, and he orbited the Earth, meaning he went all the way around the planet. This was a big moment in history and the beginning of human space travel. Yuri Gagarin was from the Soviet Union, which is now called Russia. He was born in 1934 in a small village and grew up to become a pilot. Because of his skills, bravery, and personality, he was chosen out of many people to be the first person to try traveling into space. At just 27 years old, he became a cosmonaut, which is what Russia calls its astronauts. On the morning of April 12th, Gagarin climbed into the small Vostok 1 spacecraft. There was only room for one person, and everything was controlled by computers because no one knew how a person might react in space. As the rocket launched, Gagarin said a famous Russian word, "Poyakali," which means, "let's go." The trip lasted just 108 minutes, less than 2 hours. During that time, Gagarin flew once around the Earth. From space, he saw how beautiful and round the Earth looked, with a blue glow around it. He felt weightless, floating inside the capsule. This was something no one had ever experienced before. After the orbit was complete, Vostok 1 returned to Earth. Gagarin ejected from the capsule and parachuted down safely. People who saw him land were surprised, but they quickly realized they were witnessing something historic. Yuri Gagarin's journey changed the world. He became a hero not only in his country, but all over the planet. His flight proved that humans could go into space and return safely. This opened the door for future space missions, including the moon landing just 8 years later. Thanks to Gagarin's bravery, space travel became real. Today, astronauts live and work in space, on the International Space Station. It all began with one man, one spacecraft, and one historic orbit around our planet. If you thought that was good, just wait. This next video, it's gonna surprise you, big time. There's stuff in there you do not want to miss. So go on, hit it, and I'll see you there.